Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be going over section 10-3 composite figures. This section right here just kind of builds on what we learned in the earlier sections. This one basically you have more of a complex figure, but really the basic idea is still the same. So for example, let's take a look at number 19 here. This is a composite figure. We have a triangle in the middle, and surrounding it is three semicircles. Okay, so we're going to need to use both some semicircle formulas, triangle formulas, and it looks like we're going to have to add them all together to get the area of the entire figure. Okay, so I drew the figures to the right here. So first of all, I need to find the area of a triangle, and I also need to find the area of those semicircles as well. Let's start with the triangle. So with the triangle, it's 10 on each side, right? Which means if I drop a vertical down, like this right here, that means it's going to be 5 and 5, okay? Why do I need to do that? Well, remember the formula for a triangle is 1/2 base times height. You don't have the height, all right? So we're going to have to figure that out, okay? It's not difficult. All we need to do is use Pythagorean theorem when one side of the triangle is 5 and the hypotenuse is 10, right? And we're going to be solving for the other side, which is the height. So let's do this over on the right here. So let's see here. So I have, I'm going to know. So I'm looking for the height squared. So height squared plus this other side, 5 squared, is equal to the hypotenuse squared, 10 squared. Okay, square things up. Okay, so it's plus 25 equals 100. Subtract, so I get h squared is equal to 75. Okay, and we want to take the square root. Height is equal to square root of 75. Okay, so this question, if you look at it, it says give your answers in terms of pi. What they're hinting at there is basically they want exact answers and not decimal answers. Which means I just can't take this, find the square root in the calculator here. So what I'm going to do instead is simplify it. So I know that 75 is 25 times 3. 25 is a perfect square. I can take the square root of 25, which is 5. The 3 is left on the inside. All right, so now we have the height of our triangle. So we've got everything we need now. So I want to find the area of this triangle right here. Okay, and I know the height is, we just found that, 5 squared root of 3. And I know the base all the way across is 10. Okay, so let's do that. So what we got here, so we got area of the triangle, 1/2 base is 10. Height is 5 square root of 3. Okay, you work that out, and you get half of 10 is 5. 5 times 5 is 25. 25 square root of 3 square inches in this case. Okay, so that's the triangle in the middle. Now let's find the area of one of the semicircles. This is pretty straightforward too. This is easier than the triangle because you don't have to do any additional work. So here's one of the semicircles right here. If the diameter is 10, we know the radius is 5. And, well, what's the area of a semicircle? Well, you know the area of a circle is pi r squared. So a semicircle is just going to be half of whatever that is. So let's do this. So what we got 1/2 times pi times r squared, 5 squared. Okay, so what do we get there? 5 squared is 25 divided by 2. Again, we're going with an exact answer here, no decimals. So we got 25 over 2. Pi is the area of one of the circles there, but we got 3 of them, right? So I'm going to multiply that times 3 to find the area of 3 semicircles. 3 times all this is 3 times 25 is 75. Okay, over 2 still, pi square inches. All right, almost there. Now, I got all my pieces, so all I gotta do is just add them up. So my total area, I'll call that TA, is gonna be equal to 25 square root of 3 plus 75 over 2 pi. Okay, and again, running out of space, but it's square inches. Okay, and that should match up with the answer that's in the back of the book there. Okay, so I'll leave it right there for now. Please let me know if you have any questions, and I will talk to you later. Thank you.